Hi friends, so today we will see a issue which has been running between HGP transmitter. Okay, so there are two models in the transmitter. If you see here, it is YK003. 003 means it is 8C. If you see here, it is 8C. That means it supports only 8 channel transmitter. And there is another model which is 002. 002 YK002, that means it is 16 channel transmitter. If you see, it is 16 channel transmitter. Only this transmitter supports 16 channel receiver. This is not going to support, nor it will bind with this one. So how do we bind this one is, if you see the manual for YK002, it says that hold the mix key and turn on the transmitter. This is the mix key and this is start key. So we need to hold this one, switch on the power supply, switch on the power supply, hold as it is, turn the bind key. This is the power switch. Press the bind key and switch on the power supply. The light, the red color light which will be blinking, starts to turn constant red color when we release both together, and just hold the start button for 2 seconds, it gets binded. This is the process. So when we go back to if we just go back to this one, it is the process is almost same, but only button will change. Instead of holding mix key here in 8C, we need to hold this button, switch on the power supply, hold the bind key and switch on the power button, release both together, it's get configured. But if you are trying to configure this transmitter, 8C transmitter with 16 receiver, it will never get binded. I will show you for example. Okay, I'll hold the start button, switch on the power supply. Okay, sorry, hold the start, but this is the start button for 8C. Switch on the power supply. The light is blinking. I need to hold bind key. Switch on power. Sorry. So it will never get binded. That is the option. Only this can get binded with 16C and 8C cannot get binded with this. So be sure what you purchase, read the manual for the information, and it's going to help you.